Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Aaron the Baron and today I am painting the wheels on the BMW again, but also finishing. Yeah. So I'm going to use a little bit of a glass cleaner because it doesn't make anything sticky or leave any residue. With some microfibers, we're going to get the wheels cleaned up, put some cards in there, and we're going to start painting.
We wanted to run together. Back then our world seemed so clear. We grew so bright, shimmering lights around us. We'd take flight into the sky. How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see. You will see. How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see.
Came and took a little drive down the street, get a feel for everything, get the car sitting normal again after I had it on jack stands. Get me a cheeseburger. So I'm big hungry. Got the window down so you can hear how stupid loud this is. That's nice. I like that. Just nice and clean, simple. I like it.
How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see. You will see.